Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna make a video on an iPhone XS that's having a touch problem. So this customer sent this phone and that they have replaced different screens and the phone doesn't have touch. So I'm gonna try to disassemble the phone and try to try with another new screen and see if we're gonna have a touch. So now we're gonna try to use another screen and see if we're gonna have a touch. So I think the last repair I had, the customer dropped the phone. So I think this might be a similar case. So I'm gonna use a new screen. Like this is a new screen, you can see. If we can have a touch on the screen, I don't know. So here we go. So we're gonna power on the phone and see if we're gonna have a touch on the screen. Like you can see, this is a new screen and haven't been used before. So here we go. Still no touch. We have no touch on the screen, still on the new screen. So in my conclusion, I might think is the problem with the motherboard. I'm gonna disassemble the phone and we're gonna check on the motherboard and see if we have anything unusual. So now we have the motherboard, so we're gonna see if there's any physical damage on the motherboard. It looks okay. Yeah, the motherboard looks okay, so we're just gonna try to check. We're gonna measure the connector and see if we have the correct values. So this is a touch connector. This is a touch connector, so we're gonna use the multimeter and we're gonna put the multimeters on dial mode and test on the connector if we have the same value. So we're gonna put the multimeter into dial mode. And we're gonna measure to see if we have something abnormal on the touch connectors. So now we have, this is the touch connector. We have the multimeter on dial mode. So we're gonna measure and see if we have anything that is abnormal. So we're gonna put the red probe on the ground, and we measure 3.7, which is okay. 3.7 is okay. This is okay. 3.7. We have 3.7, 5.7, 3.7. Ground, which is okay. Ground, which is okay. 3.7. Okay. We have 7. That's fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. 6, 7, 6, 9, 3. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Oh, this is fine. This is fine. Okay. 3.7, 37. It's fine. 6. This is not. This shows OL. And here we have 0.35. So we have problem on this one, on this pin. And what pin is this? Let's check here and see what pin we have. So we have problem on this pin. We have a separation somewhere around. So what I'll do is I'm just gonna reheat the board and see if the line can connect again. So I think that I'm just gonna reheat the board and reflow the board and see and try to measure again. So now we let the motherboard cool for some time, and so we're gonna try to see if we have connectivity on this line. If we have 0.3, if we have 0.3 on this line, because we have OL. So now we're gonna measure and see if we have. So we're gonna put the multimeter on diode mode. So now we have it on diode mode, and we put the red probe on the ground and we measure the line. So it seems like our problem is fixed. We have .37, which is normal. This 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 is normal. OL is normal. So I think we have fixed the problem. So we're gonna assemble the board and test to see if we have touch on the screen. But I know we're gonna have a touch because the line here is being connected back together. So guys, as you can see, now the phone is been put together, and now we have our touch. We have a touch on the phone. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and for any repairs that you have, we repair all type of phones and all type of problems with your phone. So we are basically located in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm gonna leave a link below, and you can contact us if you have any problem with your repairs, and we're gonna help you with that. Thank you so much and have a good day.